Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, a muscle car that roars louder than ever in a world leaning toward electric silence. We're talking about the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a beast that refuses to bow out quietly. This is the last stand for the combustion-powered legend, blending raw power with modern tech while staying true to its iconic roots. Buckle up, because we're going deep into every detail from its aggressive exterior to its thunderous performance, luxurious interior, pricing, and whether this American icon is worth your attention in 2026. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior, and trust me, this car demands attention the moment you lay eyes on it. Starting at the front, the 2026 Challenger SRT Hellcat is pure menace. The massive trapezoidal grille dominates the fascia, flanked by a razor-sharp LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights that give it a piercing stare. The hood features a functional air scoop, not just for show but to feed that monstrous supercharged V8 with as much air as it can gulp. Compared to earlier models, the grille now incorporates active airflow optimization, improving cooling efficiency. While maintaining that aggressive look, you'll also notice a subtle redesign in the front splitter, which retracts at high speeds for better aerodynamics, a nod to both form and function. The SRT Hellcat badging sits proudly in limited edition. Colors like Panther Pink and Plum Crazy make a nostalgic return, alongside a new voltage green that screams modern muscle. It's a front end that says, "Get out of my way," and trust me, you will. Moving to the side profile, the Challenger SRT Hellcat keeps its classic long hood, short deck silhouette, but it's been sharpened for 2026, the wide-body stance available on models like the Hellcat Red-Eye and Jailbreak gives it an intimidating presence, with flared fenders hugging massive tires for extra grip. Sculpted side skirts and functional air vents on the fenders add flair while improving airflow. The 2026 model introduces new lightweight forged aluminum wheels, available in classic chrome or sleek matte black, which not only look fantastic but also shave off some weight for better agility. You'll also spot retro-inspired racing stripes that pay homage to the Challenger's heritage, running along the length of the car. The cab rearward design gives it that unmistakable muscle car vibe, blending nostalgia with a modern edge. It's a side profile that's instantly recognizable, whether you're a moper diehard or just someone who appreciates bold design. Now, let's swing around to the back. The rear of the 2026 Challenger SRT Hellcat is just as striking. The full-width LED blade taillights are a modern take on the classic racetrack design, now with animated sequences that light up like a futuristic show when you unlock the car. A towering rear spoiler, adjustable on some trims, boosts downforce for high-speed stability, while the quad exhaust tips let everyone know this car means business. The diffuser below adds an aerodynamic touch, and the wide, muscular rear end emphasizes the car's planted stance. The Black Ghost Final Edition, a limited run trim, adds matte black graphics and carbon fiber hood pins for an extra dose of street racer attitude. It's a rear design that's both functional and in your face, ensuring this car leaves a lasting impression as it roars away. Stepping inside, the 2026 Challenger SRT Hellcat's interior is a masterclass in blending performance with luxury. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a driver-centric cockpit that feels both nostalgic and cutting-edge. The heavily bolstered front seats, wrapped in premium Napa leather or optional Alcantara, hug you tightly during spirited drives while offering surprising comfort for long cruises. The dashboard has been revamped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that mimics the analog gauges of the 1970s Challenger but can switch to customizable e-readouts for those eyeing the electric Banshee trim. A massive 15-inch touchscreen running the latest Uconnect 5 system dominates the center console, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system that makes every drive feel like a concert. Ambient lighting lets you set the mood, and the Black Ghost Edition throws in retro touches like houndstooth upholstery and a pistol grip shifter that's pure muscle car nostalgia. Rear passengers get decent legroom for a muscle car, and the trunk offers practical storage with foldable rear seats for bigger items. It's a cabin that balances raw performance with modern refinement, making it as livable as it is thrilling. Now, let's get to the heart of the beast, the performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, pumping out a jaw-dropping 807 horsepower and 717 pound-feet of torque in the Red-Eye and Jailbreak trims. That's a slight bump from previous models, making this one of the most powerful production muscle cars ever. From a standstill, it rockets to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds and tears through the quarter mile in 10.8 seconds, with a top speed of 203 miles per hour. The supercharger's whine is intoxicating, and the exhaust note is a symphony of American muscle. You've got a choice between a 6-speed manual for purists or an 8-speed automatic for effortless power delivery. The Hellcat's launch control and line lock features make it a dragstrip king, while adaptive dampers and a refined suspension system improve handling on twisty roads. Brembo brakes with 6-piston front calipers provide immense stopping power, ensuring you can tame this beast when needed. For those looking at other options, the lineup also includes a 550 horsepower 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6 and the all-electric SRT Banshee EV with 885 horsepower. But the Hellcat's V8 is the star of the show, compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 or Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. The Hellcat's raw power and straight-line speed are unmatched, though it trades some cornering finesse for brute force. Let's talk pricing. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat starts in the mid to high $70,000 range for the base model, with the wide body and red-eye trims pushing into the $80,000 to $90,000 range. The limited edition Black Ghost Final Edition or Jailbreak models could climb even higher, especially with custom options. For context, a fully loaded Hellcat red-eye widebody Jailbreak in right-hand drive was listed on X for around $234,641, though that's an outlier for a specific market. Compared to competitors, the Hellcat offers incredible bang for your buck, delivering supercar-level performance for less than a Porsche 911. However, fuel economy is predictably poor, and maintenance costs for this high-performance machine can add up. If you're after the ultimate muscle car experience, the price feels justified. But it's not a car for the budget-conscious. So, who's this car for, and should you consider it? If you're an enthusiast who craves raw power, unapologetic styling, and the visceral thrill of a V8, the 2026 Challenger SRT Hellcat is a no-brainer. It's perfect for dragstrip warriors, car show cruisers, or anyone who wants to make a statement. The Black Ghost Edition, with its serialized plaque and retro details, is a collector's dream. However, if you prioritize fuel efficiency, nimble handling, or cutting-edge autonomous tech, you might look elsewhere. My suggestion: test drive one before they're gone. This is the last HEMI-powered Challenger, and Dodge is pulling out all the stops. Pair it with the manual transmission for the full experience, and consider the Jailbreak package for maximum customization. Just be ready for the attention, because this car turns heads everywhere. As we wrap up, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is more than just a car. It's a roaring testament to the enduring spirit of American muscle. In a world chasing efficiency and electrification, this Hellcat stands defiant, delivering 807 horsepower, a retro-futuristic design, and an interior that blends nostalgia with modern tech. It's not perfect for everyone, but for those who hear it's an unforgettable experience. Whether you're burning rubber at the drag strip or cruising the boulevard, the Hellcat is a legend that refuses to fade. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments if you're a Hellcat fan or if you're eyeing the electric Banshee instead. Hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay loud, stay proud, and keep the muscle car spirit alive.